Welcome! In this quick and easy guide, you'll learn how to stop others from seeing your bio on Telegram web using just a few simple steps. If you use Telegram on your computer, especially after the latest update, this trick will help keep your profile private and secure. Let's get started. First, open Telegram web on your PC and log into your account. Once you're inside, look toward the top left corner of the screen. You'll see three small lines. This is the main menu icon. Go ahead and click on it to open the sidebar. Next, from the list of options that appears, choose Settings. This is where you can adjust everything related to your Telegram account, from appearance to privacy. Inside Settings, click on Privacy and Security. This section controls who can see your information, message you, or find your profile details. Now, scroll down until you see the option labeled Bio. This is the area that determines who can view the short description under your profile name. By default, this setting might be visible to everyone, but you can easily change that. Click on Bio and you'll be given a few visibility options. Choose Nobody. This simple setting ensures that no one, whether they're in your contacts or not, can view your bio on Telegram web. Once you've selected Nobody, Telegram will automatically save the change. You don't need to click any extra buttons or confirm anything. Just return to your chat list and your bio privacy will already be updated. That's all it takes.